In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal payments to your Squarespace website. This will enable your site visitors to make purchases or donations using PayPal, offering a convenient and trusted payment method. Let's dive right in. First, we need to start by heading over to your Squarespace homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account to access the settings we'll be adjusting. You'll see a navigation panel on the left. This is your primary tool for configuring different aspects of your site. Now, look for the search bar located at the top of this navigation panel. This is a quick way to find specific settings and options without scrolling through all of the sections manually. Click into this search bar to start our search. Next, type in the word Payments. This will pull up options related to payments for your site, including settings for different payment processors. You should see a list of relevant links appear almost immediately as you type. Once you see the Payments option listed, go ahead and click on it. This action directs you to the payment settings area of your Squarespace account. Here, you can manage the different payment processors that you'd like to enable for transactions on your site. In this payment section, you'll find several options, but our focus today is on PayPal. Look for the PayPal section and you'll notice a Connect button underneath it. Before we proceed, it's vital to remember that connecting a PayPal account is not possible if you're still using a Squarespace trial account. You need a paid subscription to link your PayPal account. Assuming you have a paid account, click the Connect button. Doing so will initiate the process to link your Squarespace site with your PayPal account, after which you'll be prompted to log into your existing PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Once logged in, PayPal will request some permissions to connect with Squarespace, such as allowing transaction processing and account linking. Go ahead and grant the necessary permissions. Upon successful connection, you'll be redirected back to the Squarespace payment configuration page. Now, your PayPal account should be connected, and your website visitors will be able to use this option for transactions on your site. It's always a good idea to test this feature by making a small transaction yourself to ensure everything is working smoothly. By following these steps, you've successfully added PayPal payments to your Squarespace website, providing your customers with a reliable and easy payment option. If you run into any issues or have more questions, be sure to check Squarespace's support resources or contact their customer service for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your Squarespace site.